Hello everyone, welcome in this video. In this video, I am explaining the AWS infrastructure architecture for the front-end application, and the back-end application, and the database. So as you can see on screen here, structure. Let me zoom it. So basically, first we have the end users. So end users will get the traffic from the Cloudflare. So Cloudflare, it will be used for the DNS hosting and the security of the application traffic. It provides proxy IP to our application, which results our main application infra IPs don't get exposed. Now next, so I hope this clear. So next is AWS WAF. So web application firewalls provides an advanced protections for your web application against common web exploits and vulnerabilities such as SQL injections and cross-site scripting. And AWS WAF to ensure applications are safeguarded against threats and vulnerabilities. And it is attached application load balancer. As you can see here, it's attached with application load balancer. And so application load balancer automatically distribute incoming application traffic across API EC2 instances, and we configure the ALP to ensure high availability and reliability, improving the overall performance of your applications. So this load balancer is attached with autoscaling group, and autoscaling group here I implemented AWS EC2 autoscaling to automatically adjust the number of EC2 instances based on the website traffic demands. This ensures optimal performance, availability, and cost efficiency. These two nodes are under this autoscaling. So there will be more than one node API backend running under the ALB, which provides higher performance scalability to applications. Linked with the MongoDB server, primary server, secondary, and delay secondary. So MongoDB primary server, it is a primary database that works as a master database server, which is used to send write and read operations to the server from applications. This server placements will be different from secondary server, so that the application can get high availability from the database side in case any of three availability zone is not available. Now, secondary database, it is a secondary database that works as a slave database server, which is used to send only the read operations to the server from application. This server placements will be different from the primary server. Now the MongoDB delay secondary database, it is a delay secondary database which is used as a backup database. We will configure one of our delay applications from above both servers. In results, we would be able to get data in case of current data deletions on the primary server. It will also fulfill the minimum count of application server number. The server size will be lower than above both servers. So I hope this application point of view is get clear. Now come back to our AWS CloudFront. It is for hosting the front end, just to run the front end applications. So AWS CloudFront delivers your high content through a global network of edge locations, ensuring that receive the data from the server closest to them. This reduces latency and improves the load times, providing a faster, smoother experience for your users. This will be used for front-end starter applications, and applications content will be placed on the AWS S3 bucket, and CDN will serve the content using the private connections within AWS network with required restricted permissions. So it is again attached with S3 buckets. So it will be used for storing the and hosting of static content. Will also use S3 for backup database of DB and other important data. So AWS backup service, it is used to create the backups of the EC2 instances using the vault security. It's a free service of AWS. Secondly, we have the monitoring and logging server. So we will use the Prometheus open source software stack to set up the monitoring. It will take all servers of monitoring metrics to the monitor and alerts. We will also use this server for logging purpose in case log size is minimum. So this is the VPN service. So we will install the VPN server which will be used to access the servers over the private networks and under VPN security. VPN will have multi-layer access security while client connection to the server. So uh, what are, so whatever servers we discussed, the two backend servers and three MongoDB servers, all are accessible via VPN. So DevOps engineer will be connecting to the VPN server, then accessing to the respective servers. That's how this infrastructure looks like. I hope this is clear. So this is very simplest and secure, one of the secure architecture for your application. Thank you, sir.